Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. Let me take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Sri Mulyani Septina. I'm a student of Vocational High School 2 Ciamis, majoring in Interior Design and Furniture Engineering. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing here for a presentation on how to make a computer desk. But before that, I will explain a little about the project we are currently working on. So, we were working on a final project from school, namely, and for 4 months in school, we have been working on making computer desk product and ending with an English presentation that all class 13 the ITF student must participate in, and 4 months later in industry. So, I hope my presentation isn't going to take too long and that you will find it interesting. Let's get started. I will present the first point of the topic. Point 1 is PPE or Personal Protective Equipment first. Point 2 is containment component. Point 3 is assemble. Point 4 is finishing. And last point is conclusion. Moving on now to next topic. Namely, point 1 is PPE or Personal Protective Equipment first. In this section, we can see that before entering the workshop or starting his work, we have to use personal protective equipment first. They are safety glasses to protect the eyes from dust, ear muff to protect the ears from machine noise, face masks to protect the respiratory organ from dust, gloves to protect fingers from sapum or scratches, and then wear pack to protect the body from extreme heat or cold. So, now let's move on to next slide. That I want to tell you is the work step of making a computer desk. First step is to make a tabletop. Cut the block board into 2 parts using a tilting arbor machine, then cut the block board using a table saw machine as needed. We need a block board with the size of 90 times 4 3.6 centimeters. Second step is to make a table leg. Cut the block board using a table saw machine as needed. For the table leg, we need a block board with the size of 73.2 times 39 centimeters. And finally is to make for edging. Cut the material from second class mountain wood using a tilting arbor machine. We need 4 edging to the tabletop with size length 95 centimeters, width 3 centimeters, and thickness 1.5 centimeters. Let's move on to assemble. As you can see, for the first step of attacking the edging, cut the edge of the edging first using a meter saw machine with a size of 45 degrees. Then attack it to the tabletop using wood glue and nail gun construction. Second step, attack the threshold to the leg using wood glue and screw. Third step is to attack the footing using wood glue and screw construction. Then, attacking the CPU base. This stage is also the same using the construction of wood glue and screw. Then, attack the tabletop to the table leg using wood glue construction and screw. Next step, attack the rise to the keyboard base using the screw construction. Then, attack the top of the drawer must be drilled first using a drilling machine to make it easier to install the screw. If it has been drilled, install the screw using a hand drill battery machine. Then, attack the top drawer to the object using the construction of wood glue and screw. And the last one, attack the leg using the wood glue construction and nails measuring 4 centimeters. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next step, namely finishing. First, sanding the object using the sandpaper number 180 following the direction of the wood fibers. Then, putty in the hollow part. After that, the sanding again using sandpaper number 180. The next step is filling the pores or defect in the object using wood filler. Then sanding again using sandpaper number 220. The next step is staining the wood using wood stain that is applied using a brush. Then sand gently using sandpaper number 400.
The next step is basic painting. The material used is Impro Sanding Sealer. How to apply it is to spray the sanding sealer evenly onto the wood surface. Then wait for it to dry, then sanding using sandpaper number 400. Well, this step can be repeated for maximum result.
The last one is coloring the final layer. The material used is melamine clear dough. How to apply? Is it the same as the previous, namely spray melamine clear dough on wood surface, evenly wait for it to dry, then sand using sandpaper number 400. Repeat this step for maximum result. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all work step has been carried out, and this is the product. Okay, before I conclude, maybe there will be several questions from audience. One of which is like this. In PPE or personal protective equipment, you are demanded wear them. What do you think if you just keep or ignoring not wearing PPE in your working process? The answer is PPE is very mandatory to use when we are going to do something in the workshop. Because if we pass it, it will injure our bodies if something undesirable happens. For example, we don't use safety glasses, and when we are using a tilting upper machine, the dust will get in or interfere with vision and ultimately don't focus on working. Before I end this presentation, I will give a conclusion first. So in conclusion, the project we made is one of the requirements for completing D1 education, majoring in interior design and furniture engineering at Vocational High School to Ciamis.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a quote for our motivation. Self-control is strength. Calmness is mastery. You have to get a point when your mood doesn't shift based on the insignificant actions of someone else. Don't allow others to control the direction of your life. Don't allow your emotions to overpower your intelligence. And stop waiting for tomorrow. Start now. Now, I want to close my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.